Business engineering. Business engineering, B, is the development and implementation of business solutions, from business model to business processes and organizational structure to information systems and information technology, cf. Business engineering focuses on developing innovative business solutions that take a socio-technical systems, STS, approach. The STS approach addresses an enterprise as a total system in the same manner as an airplane system or an industrial facility, since they possess a similar level of complexity. Business engineering combines knowledge in the fields of business administration, industrial engineering, as well as information technology and connects it to all aspects of transformation, from means of presentation to process models to cultural and political considerations, cf. Baumol/Jung. Overview. Business engineering focuses on challenges arising from the transformation of the industrial society into an information society, cf. Winter, that is the digitization of enterprises, economy, administration and society. Through the ongoing consumerization, digital services for individuals have also become a crucial part of research, cf. Hess/Legner. Because of the major importance of information technology, business engineering is often held to be a subfield of business informatics, although it is also sometimes regarded as a form of organization development for its emphasis on change management. Engineering management is a very close discipline which overlaps significantly with business engineering. The main differences are that industrial engineering focuses primarily on the goods sector, less on services, on technical systems and the interface between those systems as well as the users from a production point of view. Oosterlee/Blessing characterize business engineering as follows. At the Business Engineering Forum in St. Gallen, experts from science and business annually discuss new developments within the discipline. Approaches. ARIS, Architecture of Integrated Information Systems. The ARIS concept, cf. Scheer, distinguishes between views and levels of description. The views are the organizational, data, performance, functional and control view of processes. For every description view there are three distinct levels of description. These are the technical concept, the data processing concept and the implementation level. Through this framework, specific methods can be used to describe individual elements of the model. Those methods help depict and improve business processes, from fundamental business questions to the implementation on the IT level. Business Engineering St. Gallen. The St. Gallen approach to business engineering comprises fundamentals and methods for different kinds of transformation projects. It distinguishes between the design-level strategies, organization and information systems within the transformation process and, thus, reduces the complexity of the transformation. The St. Gallen approach to business engineering has already been applied in more than 1,000 consultancy projects, S&T 2008. Moreover, it receives support from renowned software tools such as the ARIS toolset, Scheer 2001, S. 18, A. Dioben, Iyer et al. 2008, or SEMTalk. Semantic Object Model, SOM. The Semantic Object Model, SOM, cf. Ferstel/Sins, provides a framework for the conceptual modeling of system types. The modeling concept differentiates three levels of such systems: the strategic business plan, the operational business process models which focus on process types, and the specifications for implementing application systems. These levels can also be regarded as constituting perspectives on the system. They correspond to the external, internal, and resource perspectives. Subsequently, the levels of the model undergo a further conceptual division according to the organizational architecture, the process model, the principles of coordination or the object system. The Open Group Architecture Framework, TOGAF. The Open Group Architecture Framework, TOGAF, cf. Weinberger, presents a structure for organizational architectures which offers a holistic approach to designing, planning, implementing and maintaining information architectures and, thus, covers an important section, albeit not the entire scope, of B. When applying TOGAF, the enterprise architecture is usually modeled in the three domains: business architecture, information systems architecture, consisting of application architecture and data architecture, and technology architecture. Integral design of organizational structures and information systems. Van Meel and Sol, 1996, define business engineering as an integral design of organizational architectures and information systems. Dynamic modeling as well as simulation constitute the key components of their approach. Gear business engineering model. With a specific focus on the demands of small business, Gear's business engineering system has proven to be effective and relatively easy to implement for small to medium-sized businesses. Unique in that it involves the use of a specialized customizable software platform that integrates key business structures and operational performance processes. While that Gear system encapsulates the key areas of strategy, business process, technology, and people, it has been proven to provide unusually consistent, predictable outcomes for small businesses due to the SME-specific design of its improvement processes and software applications. This, combined with its ease of use for business owners and managers, has made that Gear model popular within the SME marketplace. Business engineering IB Hong Kong. There has been another notion and approach put forth since 2005 by the Institute of Business Engineers, IBE, while sharing the common vision and advocacy of multidisciplinary and holistic business view, and targeting the addressed issues in business practice and education. The IBE put forth some principles and framework addressing the modeling of the business in a holistic, concise and structural manner. The model abstracts distinct, clearly defined key elements, processes, functions and relations from the complex, vague and loosely coupled business concepts. With the emphasis of holistic and integrative system view, it helps structurally and concisely capture a specific circumstance of business in 4 tiers, which are in turn composed of smaller constituents, for strategic planning and implementation. Furthermore, to a certain extent, this model is claimed to provide a generic framework for filling the gap of other business engineering approaches in specifying business circumstances, serving as one of key pieces of puzzle in the full picture of business engineering. Education. In France. In France, Telecom École de Management, or Telecom Business School, offers a master's degree in international business engineering that contains business administration, marketing, economics, finances, and IT. In Belgium. In Belgium, there are numerous institutions offering bachelor and master programs in business engineering, among them the Solvay Brussels School of Economics and Management, Université Libre de Bruxelles and Vrije University at Brussels, the ECHEC Brussels Management School, the Louvain School of Management, Université Catholique de Louvain, Université de Namur, the HEC Management School, University of Liège, the KU Leuven, the Ghent University, the University of Antwerp and the University of Hasselt. The programs contain both management methodology, business administration, economics, mathematics, and technical elements and computer science. In Finland. In Finland, the University of Oulu offers a diploma program in business engineering for which a master's degree in engineering is required. In Mexico. In Mexico, there are 2 main colleges that offers a professional business engineering program: Monterrey Institute of Technology and Higher Education, ITSM, seek the following competencies. In the other hand, the Instituto Tecnológico Autónomo de México, ITAM, program contains business administration, mathematics, marketing, economics, finances, and IT and computer science. Students focus in entrepreneurship and business consulting. In Germany. In Germany, the Steinbase University offers a master's program in business engineering. The contents of the degree course held in English include, similar to Belgium, management methodologies as well as fundamentals of business administration and economics. As in Finland, an academic degree in engineering is required in order to be eligible for admission. In Switzerland. In Switzerland, professionals can receive the degree of Executive MBA in Business Engineering at the University of St. Gallen or at the PHW Hochschulwirtschaft Bern. The program at the University of St. Gallen lasts 18 months and includes 2 modules in the USA, Santa Clara University, and China, Shanghai Jiaotong University, where students learn about the local dynamics, culture and differences in management methods compared to Europe. The program's main focus lies on providing practical knowledge in the areas of business strategy/business model, business processes/organizational structure, information systems/information technology, and the political and cultural dimensions of economic activity. The systematic exchange of experience among the students complements the educational concept. At the end of the program, the newly received business engineers are qualified to actively and holistically transform their businesses and take over executive positions within their organizations. To be eligible for admission, professionals must have an academic degree and about 5 years of work experience. The program at the PHW Hochschulwirtschaft Bern can be completed in 4 semesters and focuses on strategies of internationalization, technology management, business models and value-added concepts, information management and systems, value-centered corporate governance and turnaround management. In Chile, the University of Chile offers a master's program in business engineering, MSc, since 2003. As in Germany and Belgium, the program combines management theory, business administration, finance, economics, science and technology. The program consists of a theoretical as well as a practical part during which the students develop a project for an organization in the private or public sector. The program is designed to be completed in 4 semesters. Hundreds of projects have been developed since 2003, producing a validation of the proposed approach to design and a generation of knowledge that has been formalized and applied in new projects. Graduates are awarded with the academic degree Master of Science in Business Engineering, MBE, after taking the courses of the program and successfully completing their projects. In Peru, the University of the Pacific offers an academic degree in business engineering since 2008. The students deepen their knowledge in the 3 areas of process engineering, project engineering and information technology engineering, while additionally being able to choose from a wide variety of subjects to complement their studies, e.g. mathematics, physics, informatics, economics, philosophy, sociology etc. In El Salvador, the Escuela Superior de Economía y Negocios, ESEN, initiated a business engineering program for professionals in 2009 which focuses on the systems perspective, the modeling and analysis of complex relationships between resources, employees and information, as well as the integration of engineering expertise with a quantitative and qualitative business understanding. The program combines elements of different disciplines, for example business administration, economics, management, innovation and information technology. The career has a duration of 5 years with the possibility that in the 3rd cycle of the 4th year, the student can study in Germany, Chile, United States and Mexico as long as your CUM is up 8.0. In the Philippines, the Ateneo de Naga University offers a bachelor program in business administration, BSc, with the possibility to specialize in business engineering. The 4-year program aims at training young technology-based founders and students who want to pursue a career in technology-related industries. Practice-oriented projects encourage the creativity and innovative energy needed to conceptualize and implement products and ideas while advancing the socio-economic development of the Bicol region at the same time. Moreover, the university maintains close relations to entrepreneurs and businessmen in order to enable the students to learn from best practices. In Nicaragua, The National University of Engineering in Nicaragua, UNI, offers the career system engineer since the 90s. It focuses on the administrative field, organization, human resources management, production costs control, service marketing, project formulation and follow-up, as well as other disciplines, with the main objective of doing a correct and successful financial control at the private enterprise. It also gives the students the main skills and knowledge on informatics, design, database management and information modeling to use the technology as a tool to solve problems at the companies and for the society. The career has a duration of 5 years with different completing options to get the degree of system engineer or ingeniero en sistemas. In China and Hong Kong SAR, the Institute of Business Engineers, IBE, has been offering executive education programs on business engineering in Hong Kong SAR and China since 2008. This course is designed to establish a holistic and integrative business mindset for senior executives and to build up their reasoning logics with key business components for judging and decision-making in the business environment. The business engineering course has also been offered as a major elective course to the non-business undergraduate programs of Sun Yat-sen University and as an elective course to the MBA program of South China Normal University of Guangdong Province from 2007 to 2008. Recently, the course from CPA to CPA Plus, crafted under the principles of the business engineering of IB, has been offered for building up the systematic business mindset of the accounting professionals of HIPAA, Hong Kong Institute of Certified Public Accountants, since 2017.